Spray a small aluminum foil pouch with hairspray and place it near your door. I promise you, mice won't come near it. If you're unsure how to keep mice away, here's a method that really works. Mice can show up in any home, especially if there's a garden nearby. In that case, it's best to prepare something that repels them from a distance. Mice hate a few specific scents, and we'll use them to make a homemade repellent. Grab some cayenne pepper and sprinkle a small amount into a bowl. Add a few cloves. Mice can't stand the smell of either spice. Now add a few drops of peppermint oil, another scent they despise. Lay out a piece of aluminum foil and put the mixture in the center. Wrap it into a small pouch. To let the scent escape, poke a few holes in the foil with a toothpick or don't seal it too tightly. For some reason, mice also dislike aluminum foil itself. Finally, spray the pouch with hairspray. The ingredients in it give off a scent that helps keep many pests away. Place the pouch near a door, window, or even a trash cabinet. This mix combines several effective mouse repellents into one and works with extra strength.